Okay, so lately I've been seeing this mega viral niche on Instagram where you basically make cozy rooms, cozy settings, and it's been going crazy, getting millions of views. So I was just thinking, how the heck can I make that? And I figured it out. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make these crazy viral reels too, and it's actually easier than you think. So let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so if you've never seen these reels before, this is an example of what I'm talking about. This one right here, as you can see, it has 120 million views. They have 1.8 million followers, and yeah, just great engagement all around for pretty much all their posts. And they're not the only ones. As you can see, this is another profile right here that's doing the same exact thing and getting great engagement too. 50K, 100K, 50K, just a bunch of views on all their reels. And how they're monetizing, like when I click, I can see the link in the bio. So when I click on it, and they're doing a drop shipping store, when I clicked on the bio, and as you can see, this is a really good product to sell to their audience, because their audience loves, a nice cozy room. So just having a skylight to make the room better, it's a W item to sell. So yeah, this is how they're monetizing with all the traffic they're getting. Okay, so to do this, we're gonna need a few items. The first one is going to be Midjourney, or you can use Leonardo AI or any picture generator. I just like Midjourney the best. Next, we're gonna use Runway or Helluo AI, anything that can make our image into a video. So just the AI to image video generator. Next, we need CapCut so we can edit and put it all together. And optionally, you don't have to do this, but if you want to make your images and videos look better, you can use Krea.ai. It's just an image upscaler that you can use, and it's not that expensive, because let me tell you something, AI image upscalers can be very expensive. So for their plans, they're very cheap. If you want to use this one, like I say, you do not have to. But one other tool that you can use too is ChatGPT if you're not good at prompting. So what prompting is just making sure you get the right image style and everything you want out of your image for Midjourney, Leonardo.ai. So if you're not, just come over to ChatGPT and just type in, write me an image prompt for a cozy room for Midjourney. And what else you can do is go back to Instagram, pick a post that you like. So let's say I like this post right here. All I would do is just screenshot it on my computer, and then we can put this into ChatGPT so they can make an image similar to this. Okay, once you have the image that you want to use from Instagram, just paste it in and then hit send on ChatGPT, and let's see what prompt it gives us. Okay, so this is the prompt right here: create a cozy winter living room, blah blah blah. And as I'm reading through this, use soft neutral tones. This is a really good prompt, so I'm gonna just copy this one right here, and then once I'm in Midjourney, I'm gonna just paste it in. But before you send it, what you need to do is hit dash dash AR space 9 by 16. So just hit that in, and then you can hit enter now. That just makes sure the aspect ratio is good for Instagram. And as you can see, this right here is what it shot out for us. And to be honest, these images are not half bad, but I'm gonna rerun it again to see what I can get. All right, and after rerunning it, these are the images I got now, and I'm not gonna lie, this one right here is catching my eye. So it has the Christmas tree in the background, the fireplace right here, the nice cozy aesthetic. So yeah, I'm gonna download this one. And once you downloaded your image, just come over to Runway or Helluo AI or even Sora. If you haven't heard, Sora from OpenAI is out now, so you can use that AI image generator now too. I've used it, not half bad, not half bad indeed. They got a lot of features, but just pick a platform that you want to use. So I'm gonna go with Runway, and then once you're on Runway, just hit start a new session. And right here where it say describe your shot, you see view guide or examples. What I usually do, unless I want something very specific, I just hit examples, scroll down, and for a shot like this, I will want to use static camera. So I'm gonna generate this 2 times, because with this slow motion, I already know this is probably gonna mess up with something like this. It usually like has snow on the inside or something like that. So static camera usually works best for this, because if you hit these 3 arrows, it'll tell you what type of motion you will get if you apply it. So we don't need dynamic motion, we don't need a close-up, we don't need a cinematic drone or anything. Static camera, where the fireplace is just going, works the best for this image to video right here. All right, so after about a minute or two, they finished up. So this is the first clip what we have right here. As you can see, this is a really nice clip. We have the fireplace going in the background. Nothing's messing up. Actually, let me make this bigger so you can see it even better. Yeah, this is a really good image right here. I definitely love the fireplace right here. I don't even know if we need to see the other two, but let's just go see what the other two is looking like. So this is the second clip right here. Pretty much the same as the first clip. I kind of like this one more because the camera zooms in, well, not zooms in, but pans to the right more. But yeah, it's pretty similar to the first one. But this one right here is a slow motion shot. Let's see what this one gets. And as you can see, like I said, snowing inside. So yeah, we don't want to use this one. That's not realistic at all. So I'm gonna go with the second one. So I'm gonna just go over here and just download this one. So I'm gonna just hit the download button right here. Okay, and next we're gonna use Krea AI. Like I said, you do not have to use this step at all. The the video that we got from Runway is good enough. But if you just want to upscale the image, then you can use this one because they have a lot of tools in here. They have Flux. If you know what Flux is really good. They have video, AI video generator. Real time is the AI generation, and then enhancer, which is my favorite thing about Krea. So I would just click on upscale and enhance. So once you click on upscale and enhance, you just drag in the video that we just downloaded from Runway, and then it'll upload. And what's amazing about them, they'll actually generate a prompt for you. And so all you have to do is once they get done generating a prompt, as you can see, you just hit enhance. And as you can see, it has an upscaling factor of 1.5. Not only this, you can change the frame rate if you wanted to. So 30 FPS, 60 FPS, and 120 FPS. And then you can have adjust the strength if you want to. You can even loop the video if you wanted to. So I'm gonna just hit it enhance and see what we get. So after about 3.5 hours, nah, I'm just kidding. It took like 10 minutes, you know, not that long. We get this right here. So this is like before quality, this is after quality. So as you can see, it really enhanced it. So yeah, this is why I said this is very nice if you want to, you know, just have a crispier video, like when you're looking at the table before and after too. Looks really nice. So I'm gonna download this one, and the download is just in the bottom right corner. So just hit download. All right, now we need to head over to CapCut. If you don't have CapCut downloaded, you just can go over to CapCut.com and just download it for free, or you can just edit it straight from the website. But once you do, you just can upload your video now. So this is our video, and then just drag it in. Once you drag it in, you can add any filters, adjustments, effects you want to. So let's say for the effects, you wanted to add in sharp edges right here. Sharp edges, this is like one of my favorite effects right here, and just make this over the whole thing. So it would look like something like that if you add in sharp edges, but without it, you know, just the same image right here. So as you can see, makes it pop a lot once you add on this filter right here. So this is why this is one of my favorite filters. So let's just go through it the whole time. So yeah, this is right here is what this looks like with the sharp edges filter. And let's say you wanted to get an adjustment, make some adjustments too. Like let's say I wanted to brighten this up a little bit. So you just come over to adjustments tab, and you can adjust the temperature if you want it to like be like a little bluer, you know, a little darker. So I think what it is right now is good enough for that. But let's say we wanted to just make it lighter, you can play with the exposure some. So you know, if you want this a little more lighter. So actually I'm gonna brighten this up more, and then just pair the contrast if you want to do a little more of the contrast or take it away a little bit. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good right now versus, you know, when we first added it in. So let's just look at it real quick, a before and after. So this right here is with all the effects that we just added. So you know, not bad at all. But this right here is without it. As you can see, not as crispy, you know. So once you do a little editing, just, you know, it didn't take that long. It's what altogether this took us like what 30 minutes to create, if that. So yeah, this is a really easy thing that you can create. You see how they are getting a lot of views from just doing this. You know, it isn't that hard. Just getting you just need to get the right prompts, get the inspiration from a lot of the viral posts that they've made already. Just screenshot it, add it in, and then once you do that, you know, just head over to Midjourney, add in that prompt, and it'll shoot you out an image. Just play around with it till you get a good one. Go over to Runway, then you'll get a nice video. Then optionally, you can go over to Krea.ai, so you can upload that image for it to be enhanced, and then lastly, just enhance it a little more and edit it a bit over in CapCut. And as you can see, the end is really good. So yeah, just download it, or you, like I say, you can play around with some different effects too if you want, just, you know, a different effect going on. Like Edge Glow is a really nice one too. So yeah, it's a lot going on with AI right now that people is taking advantage of, and this is one of them. You know, this is an AI income that people have made. We're very creative, you know, because a lot of people like aesthetics like this. You know, it's still newer, you know, haven't been around for years or nothing. It's probably been around for less than a year. So, you know, this is still a very new niche that you can get into. So, you know, you need to get on there quick before it's very saturated, you know. But it's a lot of AI incomes that's popping up, you know. It's very exciting right now because it's still new. It's still a lot of, you know, different things like Sora is starting to come out, and yeah, They got a nice storyboard thing, and I think movies is gonna be started from there because it's just a lot going on with the AI space. I'm sure if you keep up with it, you can tell. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you, and you liked it. Shoot me your Insta name, TikTok name, wherever you start posting this type of content at, so I can come check it out. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Until next time.